Hello, and welcome to the Solution Connection tutorial on combination searching. First, let's log into Solution Connection and click on the search button. The query screen is made up of 3 different sections, each of which is covered in a separate tutorial. This one is to cover a combination of searching. In the top left, you can see the search box for freeform text search, products for the ability to select product groups or products themselves, and categories. This is the wide-ranging list of various categories you can choose from to fine-tune your search. In this example, let's say we want to look at all EMV hardware. In the search box, we'll type in EMV. Let's say we're looking for anything to do with any of the payments products. We'll select payments so it includes all of the payment products. And in categories, we'll go down to where it says hardware under the application section. And then we'll click submit. Here's a list of all the different hardware components for each of the products that we selected. Let's try another search. Let's say we want to look for all the import capabilities for, let's say it's the desktop products, online, point of sale. And we only really care about it, sales and customers and vendors. As you can see, here's the different features that match our criteria along with each of the different products. We can spend all day long trying various searches, but hopefully this provided a couple of different examples and allows you to do some on your own. So thank you for listening.